Whether you're an attorney or a marketing manager, you just got to remember that you are that hero in your firm's growth story. So you have a proven track record already, a dedicated team, probably if you're a larger firm and you're expanding your practice. But again, the problem that you're facing is each new market is a whole new battlefield of competitors. Everybody's kind of top fighting for those top spots. If you're in paid, you know how expensive that can be. You want to position your firm in a way that you're in front of these leads and don't miss any of the significant opportunity. Multi-office SEO is crucial because almost half of searches are local in nature. And if you've done any search, you've seen the local pack, right? And people searching for rally car accident attorney or accident attorney or injury attorney, they're seeing these localized results, right? And Google's really prioritizing results that are physically located in the city or region where that person's physically searching from. So if I'm searching from downtown versus a mile away from downtown, these results here in this local pack, they actually are going to change. So if you don't optimize each and every one of your office's local presence, like you're going to miss out on all of that consistent flow of these high intent leads. And that's really the difference between a busy office that's kind of capturing all these local clients versus one that's like struggling to sign new cases in these additional markets. And for us, that's why we always ensure that every office has a robust local footprint from your Google business profile to localized website content. And again, in this example, what we see here is when I did this particular keyword, you see the local pack and you see an organic search result. And that's just important because I want to be able to frame those differently in this conversation today. And typically you might see a paid ad up here, three paid ads or 4 paid ads and some local service ads as well. But the point I'm just trying to get across here is that people aren't just searching the city name plus a keyword when they're looking for an attorney. They might be looking for the best. They might be just looking for an accident attorney. They might just be looking for somebody near me or highest rated. There's a lot of different ways that people are going to find you. And it's important that you understand how localized that search is. So just to illustrate that point, this is an example from a tool that I use. There's different ones out there. Bright Local has one. Local Viking has one. There's a lot of different ones. But basically, if you look here, this is for the keyword car accident lawyer in this particular market, San Jose. This particular firm from the city center, let's call it right here, they're ranking in the number 8 position in this local pack. So obviously, if you're number 8 here, you're not showing up on the first page. You're the best place to hide a dead body on Google, right? The second page, third page. So if you are looking at rankings to understand what your firm visibility is, a simple report or a simple rank tracking tool that just shows one number means it's only showing where your firm ranks from one physical spot in that city. And as you can see, that varies depending if you're a block away or 100 meters. And we'll talk about the things that influence that and what you can do about it. But it's just good to understand that context, that rankings are not all that they seem in SEO reports. So again, here's just kind of an example of what these different types of results look like. I'm going to refer to this as the local pack. And whenever we're talking about the local pack, those are powered by your Google Business Profile, GBP. And we also have organic results here. These are just the typical 10 blue links you used to see primarily on Google. And then you have sponsored, which are kind of pay-per-click. I don't have a local services ad up here right now because quite frankly, a lot of those leads recently have been expensive and junk ever since they changed their format from how that you were able to dispute those. So I'm not going to spend too much time talking about local services ads, but if you have questions, please save them or put them in the comments